Okie dokie. Kirby is traveling along this line. Y equals 5/12 x plus 10. Traveling at a rate of 13 units per hour. And we're asked a bunch of questions about Kirby's position at different times, which essentially boils down to we've got to figure out what his equation is for his x and y positions. Now, we'll notice that this slope here of 5/12 means that we go, I'm going to sketch this in here, we go over 5 and up 12, over 12 and up 5. And it just happens to be that this is a 12, 5, 13 triangle. Hypotenuse is 13. You can use Pythagorean theorem to check that for yourself, but take my word for it, it's 13. Which means that the bug, that Kirby or whatever, travels this distance every hour. So that gives us our rate. Let's see here. So we'll call our 0 time here at midnight, we're told. So we'll call that 0, 10. That's the y-axis. We're told that it crosses the x-axis later, after midnight. So that's going to be down here somewhere else. Let's put time equals 1. And we know that we're going to go another down 5 and back 12. So we're going to go, x is going to go down 5. Right, so x is going to go, I'm sorry, back 12. So it's going to be at negative 12, and y is going to be at, let's see, 5. All right, because it's going down by 5, back by 12. See, at time equals 2. We're going to go back another 12, 24, and down another 5 at 0. There's the y-axis. So now we know what time we cross the y-axis. Let's write our equations now. So let's see. X goes down 12 units per 1 second. So it's going to be negative 12t. And the starting point is 0. So we'll just leave. So we could write plus 0, but it's not really necessary. Our other equation is y equals, let's see, our change here is negative 5 units per second. So I'll put negative 5t, and our starting point there is 10. So there's our two equations. Anything else we're asked about? 1.5 hours after midnight. So if I wanted to know what that is, I would just plug it in. So I would say x equals negative 12, 1.5. Let's see, that's negative 18. Y equals negative 5, 1.5 plus 10. Y equals, let's see, negative 5 times 1.5 is negative 7. That's 2.5. No, what am I talking about? That is, wait. Yeah. Negative 2, it's 2.5. It's late. So let's check that here. So our position is negative 18, 2.5. Well, it's just kind of off our graph here. But you can see we're headed in that direction. Here we are at 12, 5, and this makes sense here. We'd be at 2.5. That's halfway between 5 and 0. And negative 18 halfway between negative 12 and negative 24. 1.5 hours. Okay. The other question is, what does it mean for Kirby's position to be a function of time? I think that's what it says. Is a function of time. And that I'm going to leave up to you. What do you think that means? That his position is a function of time. All right? Think about how we've calculated his position and what its relationship with time is. What does that mean to you? That his position is a function of time.